Well, it's always busy in Hootsville. We've been growing some of these little beauties, and they're shallots, and each one will split in between 4 and 7 shallots. So they're going to fill that pot out. We'll give you an update later once they've grown, but they're doing well. Look at them, absolutely fantastic. Well, the local neighbours having a word, they're keen, and we've got some broad beans growing in there, and also down the garden yesterday, this is our wild garden, we decided we're going to try 2 different techniques for growing potatoes. An old-fashioned, near enough old-fashioned technique, but using pots with basic manure and basic fertiliser in there, and that's one side of it. And then exactly the same pot, exactly the same number of potatoes, but with more modern fertilisers. Most of them I think are organic, for those interested, but we've covered them in straw, or hay that is there, and that keeps the moisture in. So we've got 4 there going on. Now I don't think I'll see these down the garden, but we've got right down the bottom there. No, you're not going to see those, but how about these? There's onion and garlic. There's 2 pots of spuds there. Some more onions there. Some more onions and garlic over the back. So it's all happening here. Nothing like a little bit of self-sufficiency, but we'll let you know how it progresses, and then we'll do some potato reveals like on YouTube. Oh, the Hoots will do a reveal. We'll show you all. Wait for the magic moment.